Hi there, I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to do a little holiday baking. This is my mother-in-law, and every year she bakes Christmas cookies for friends and family. I asked her for her best Christmas cookie recipe, and she sent me Maggie's Favorite Cranberry cookies from the children's book Cranberry Christmas. So I took this classic cookie and reinvented it as a plant-based recipe. It's super easy to make and yields a soft, chewy, sweet, and tangy, delicious cranberry cookie that everyone will love. To get started, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your wet ingredients and stir until well mixed. Pour your wet ingredients into your dry and stir well. As you're mixing this, there will come a point where you're going to feel like it's too dry, but that's okay. This is a really stiff dough, so you're going to be tempted to add more milk, but don't do that. Your dough is just fine. When we add our cranberries in the next step, they're going to give our dough a lot more moisture. So just keep going, add your cranberries, add your walnuts. Now I use the food processor to process the cranberries, but if you don't have one, that's fine. You can definitely just chop them by hand. Next, you're going to go ahead and scoop out your cookie dough onto your cookie sheet. And I used a small cookie scoop. I think it holds a little bit over 1 tablespoon of dough. If you don't have a scoop, that's fine. Just use a tablespoon and keep an eye on your time. It might be a little shorter than the time that I recommend. If you're going to be making a lot of cookies, or if you just really want the cookies that you make to look their absolute best, I would recommend buying the scoop. It's going to make things a lot easier for you, and it's going to make sure that your cookies are uniform, and it's going to give them that more professional look. You're going to bake your cookies for about 12 minutes at 375 degrees. And you'll know they're done when they're golden brown on top and they're going to be brown around the edges and on the bottom. The top should also be set. These cookies make great DIY Christmas presents. All you need is a decorative gift box. I found these beautiful boxes at Home Goods. And parchment paper squares to layer between the cookies so that they don't stick together. From there, you can adorn your boxes any way that you like. You could add bows, you could add ribbons, anything that you like. The sky is the limit. But one thing is for sure, your friends and family will appreciate the time and effort you put into making them these delicious cookies. So enjoy, be merry, and have a great holiday.